Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this information useful. Today, we're diving into Paperpile and its integration with the powerful AI tool, ChatGPT. Paperpile, a popular reference management software, offers a seamless connection with ChatGPT, enabling users to streamline their research and writing processes. This integration allows for a dynamic interplay between managing your academic sources and leveraging the generative capabilities of ChatGPT. This powerful combination unlocks a range of possibilities. Imagine effortlessly generating summaries of your research papers directly within Paperpile. No more tedious manual summarization. Need to quickly grasp the key arguments of a complex article? ChatGPT can help you extract the core concepts with ease, saving you valuable time and effort. Beyond summarization, the Paperpile ChatGPT integration can assist in crafting literature reviews. By providing context from your library of research papers, ChatGPT can help you synthesize information and identify connections between different sources. This can be incredibly helpful in building a comprehensive and well-supported argument for your own work. Think about the potential for brainstorming new research ideas. By interacting with ChatGPT about the existing literature in your Paperpile library, you can spark new avenues of inquiry and uncover novel perspectives. This synergy between curated research and AI-powered idea generation can be a game-changer for academics and researchers. Furthermore, the integration can be used to compare and contrast different research papers within your Paperpile library. ChatGPT can analyze the methodologies, findings, and limitations of various studies, helping you gain a deeper understanding of the current state of research in your field. This comparative analysis can be invaluable in refining your own research questions and designing robust studies. This integration represents a significant step forward in academic workflow optimization. By combining the organizational prowess of Paperpile with the analytical and generative power of ChatGPT, researchers can unlock new levels of productivity and insight. So, explore the possibilities of Paperpile and ChatGPT and see how this integration can revolutionize your research process. It's a powerful toolset that can streamline your workflow and empower you to make meaningful contributions to your field. Let us know in the comments below how you are using this integration in your own research.